Minasan, konnichiwa. Today we are going to learn lesson 10 kanji. It covers kanji for everyday actions and daily life words. First, let's learn the Kunyomi readings. Then we will move on the Onyomi readings. The first kanji has two Kunyomi readings, Hanasu and Hanashi. Hanasu means to speak or to talk. Hanashi means story or conversation. Onyomi reading of this kanji is wa. Wa. Examples: Denwa. Denwa means telephone. Kaiwa. Kaiwa means conversation. Second kanji has also two Kunyomi readings, Aida and Ma. Aida means between or interval. Ma means space or interval or timing. Kunyomi examples: Maniau. Maniau means to be in time. Onyomi reading Kan. Kan. Example: Jikan. Jikan means time. Ichinen kan. Ichinen kan means for 1 year. Third kanji is Yomu. Yomu means to read. Onyomi of this kanji is Doku. Doku. Examples: Dokusho. Dokusho means reading books. Ondoku. Ondoku means reading aloud. Fourth kanji has two Kunyomi readings, Kiku and Kikoyeru. Kiku means to listen or to ask. Kikoyeru means can be heard. Onyomi of this kanji is Bun. Bun. Examples: Shinbun. Shinbun means newspaper. Shinbunsha. Shinbunsha means newspaper company. Fifth kanji is Kataru. Kataru means to tell or to narrate. Onyomi of this kanji is Go. Go. Example: Nihongo. Nihongo means Japanese language. Chugokuko. Chugokuko means Chinese language. Gaikokugo. Gaikokugo means foreign language. Sixth kanji has no common Kunyomi reading. Onyomi of this kanji is Shu. Shu. Ishukan. Ishukan means 1 week. Konshu. Konshu means this week. Raishu. Raishu means next week. Senshu. Senshu means last week. Seventh kanji is Kau. Kau means to buy. Kunyomi examples: Kaimonosuru. Kaimonosuru means to shop. Onyomi of this kanji is buy. Buy. Example: Bye bye suru. Bye bye suru means to buy and sell. Eighth kanji is Yasumu. Yasumu means to rest. Kunyomi examples: Yasumi. Yasumi means holiday or day off. Natsu Yasumi. Natsu Yasumi means summer vacation. Onyomi of this kanji is Kyu. Kyu. Examples: Kyujitsu. Kyujitsu means holiday. Ninth kanji is Toki. Toki means time. Onyomi of this kanji is Ji. Ji. Examples: Yoji. Yoji means 4 o'clock. Ichijikan. Ichijikan means 1 hour. Tokei means clock or watch. It is a mixed reading combining the Kunyomi reading Toki with the Onyomi reading Kei. So Toki plus Kei, Tokei, meaning clock or watch. The key in Toki changes to Kei when forming this compound. Last kanji is Michi. Michi means road or street. Onyomi of this kanji is Do. Do. Examples: Shado. Shado means road. Suido. Suido means water supply or water works. Shodo. Shodo means Japanese calligraphy. That's all for today's lesson. See you in the next video. Matane.